Alrighty, thanks again for the fill, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, thank you. We are doing one box of Germany 2006 World Cup cards. No, Chris, I have not yet. Just make sure he puts it on the trades post as well, because that's what on traded stuff. Make sure he puts it on the trades post, but I'll get to it. Yeah, just shoot me a PM until I see it. All right, guys, here we go. This is break number 35. Those are your participants. This is going to be a double random. Everybody there is going to get a random team. So we're going to randomize those. We're going to randomize the teams, and then we're going to match them up. I am Soccer Breakers FC. If you're interested in joining my breaks, please make sure to join our Facebook group, Soccer Breakers FC. Should be a link down there. Also, check us out on our website, www.soccerbreakersfc.com. Also, should be a link down there. And join our Instagram, Soccer Breakers. Again, should be a link down there if you're watching the live feed. And what else? If you're watching on YouTube, guys, make sure you do subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the little subscribe. And thank you guys for all the likes. We hit over 100 tonight. Thank you. And all right, here we go with the randoms. I'm going to roll the dice. We're going to use the same dice roll for both randoms. So here we go. We reroll snake eyes, otherwise we go with it. Yo 11. Yo 11. All right, let's do Yo 11. Names first. David Ventura on top and Kevin Scott on the bottom. Yo 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th and final, 11. Yo 11, Matti Bakos on top and Stanley Jurwicz on the bottom. There. Let me do this now. All right, there we go. Oh, wait a minute. What am I doing? I still got to do the other random. Sorry, guys, I forgot. I got to do the other random still. All right, that was 11 times on the names. So now we got to go 11 times on the teams. Go 11 times on the teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th and final. Good luck. 11 on 11 times. We've got Netherlands on top, and we've got Brazil on the bottom. All right, there you have it. Matt Bakos, you got Netherlands. Russ Riley, congrats, Argentina. Matt Mazel, England. Mati Bakos, you got Ukraine and Serbia. Asher, Switzerland, Croatia. Matt Mazel, Germany. Mike Bedford, Czech Republic. Kim, Sweden, Saudi Arabia. Matt Burton, Mexico, Tunisia. Kevin Scott, Spain and Iran. Matt Mazel, France. Asher, Ivory Coast. Kim, Ghana and Angola. Justin, Japan and Korea. Harry, Italy. David, Australia, Togo. Gassan, Ecuador and Costa Rica. Mati Bakos, non-teams card. Wow, no way. How many spots did Russ have? Russ Riley, Portugal. Holy crap. Is Russ watching? Did he just go 2 for 2 with 2 spots? What are the odds of that? That's like unheard of. I don't think that's ever happened. Danny Fonseca, USA and Trinidad. Danny Locke, Poland and Paraguay. Stanley, Brazil. Let me put these in order, see if you really only had 2 spots. Wow, 2 spots, Argentina and Portugal. What are the odds of that? Someone do the math on that. 22 spots, you buy 2, and you land the exact 2. What's the mathematical equation for that? It's got to be pretty hard to do. Is it 22 times 22? So like 1 in 420 or something? 2001? No, not 11%. No way. It would be, just to get one of, to get them both, I think would be 22 times 21, right? Wouldn't that be what it is? What's 22 times 21? I think it's like 1 in 462 or something like that. Yeah. All right, here we go. Russ did buy an entire, he did buy an entire box of 2010, but I think what he has in this box is worth more than an entire box of 2010, so. Come on, I gotta come through now. Beckham. Good news is it doesn't have the little ding in the back. Usually, if it doesn't have the ding in the back, that means the whole box is good. So, well, this one has a little ding on that. It's weird. If it doesn't have it there, sometimes it has it there, but still, bodes well for this box. PSA 10, which card, Spiros? PSA 10 of which card? Really? Can't believe that. That's nuts. Sweden? Are you sure that's the actual sale and not the... Wow, that's pretty crazy. Balak. Because England was not, they didn't have an FA license, Panini. Oh wow, per 130 point, that's awesome. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Drogba, Didier. Ghana. Australia. Yeah, I got Mahomes. I just got one, and I put it up on eBay right now. Last one sold for like 7,000 something. I'll be more than happy if they offer me that. I did the same. I just basically copied the last guy who posted its listing, and hopefully somebody will make an offer on it. Shevchenko. Look what the Brazilians sell, like graded in this product, like the Ronaldinho or the Ronaldo, if it was a PSA 10. Come on, we got to hit one of them at least for Russ after getting them both. That would really suck if he got them both and didn't hit either one. That's Riquelme. Goal! Golazo, golazo. A little bit. No, it's not going to be a 10. It's got a little tiny bit right there. That's the one where we worry about. Always that same spot on a lot of these. But still, sick. It's so hard to get these in a 10. Still, congrats. Maybe we can still pull a Messi too to go with it. Buffon. Italia. Essien. Korea. Mexico and Thierry Henry. $600, that's nice. So, open. It's like these cards are like shedding. Like, what the heck are these? When I open it, there's Netherlands. 3 packs left. Zinedine Zidane. So if you weren't breaking right now, I'd probably still be an attorney, I would think. I wasn't planning on retiring. I mean, I still had a pretty active practice, but then I just kind of had to decide. But yeah, if I wasn't breaking, I'd definitely be an attorney still. Yeah, I would have just been an attorney until I retired. Poland. That's your CR7, Russ. You somehow got them both. Let's see if we can pull you a Messi out of this last pack. Wow, you got 2 of the same guy. Imagine if you would have pulled like, if that was like 2 Messis instead of 2 Zanettis, that would have been insane. We got a Portugal card. Yeah, unfortunately no Messi, but you did get the Ronaldo. Alright, there you go. Oh, I gotta do a recap, I forgot for this. Italy, Brazil, Rooney, Essien, Buffon, Riquelme, Czech, Drogba, Khan, Ballack. We got a Portugal team card. For France, we got Henry and Zidane. We got Shevchenko. We've got Beckham. And we had one of the GOATs, Ronaldo. It's got a little tiny imperfection there on the back in the middle. A lot of these cards do, so unfortunately it is not a 10, but honestly I don't know how much that affects it. Yeah, you had two teams. We figured it out. It's about 462 to 1, I think, your odds of getting both teams with two spots. Well, thank you, Russ. Yeah, not in this one. The shiny cards in the 2010, Messi and Ronaldo have shiny cards, but in the 2006, they just have base cards. This is all right, guys. That's all I got in me for tonight. That's all I got in me for tonight. So, peace out. Thank you, Russ. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Lou. Steven, I should say. Kumber. Anybody else watching? All right, thanks again, guys. Good night. Peace out. I'll update you guys on tomorrow. I am getting on tomorrow, and then I'll be off on Monday. So thanks again. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes, I will be on. Thank you, Serge. Thank you, Harry, Logan, Josh. Thanks, guys.